I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the project for sharing so the recipient sees exactly what you intend. Open Alight Motion, pick the project, and confirm composition settings. Make adjustments to resolution and frame rate if needed. Once done, choose Export and pick the format, MP4 for video, GIF for motion loops, or a project file to allow edits. Make sure to export locally first so you have a stable file to upload or attach in the next steps. Next, upload the exported file to a cloud service for link sharing because direct app links may expire. You can use Google Drive, Dropbox, or iCloud. Create a new folder if you want organization. Upload the file, then set sharing permissions, choose view only for playback or allow editing if they need source access. Once uploaded, generate a shareable link and verify it opens from a different device, so you confirm the link works. Finally, copy the shareable link and send it through your preferred channel, messaging apps, email, or social platforms, so recipients can download or view. Tell them the format and whether they can edit. That prevents confusion and repeated requests. If someone can't access the file, make sure the link permissions allow their account type, confirm the file finished uploading, or re-upload and replace the link. If problems persist, export a smaller file or share the project file directly for troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.